So hi guys, no, welcome sa akin channel, your boy JRP. So ngayong araw no ay magre-react tayo sa isang video no. Isang nakakatakot na video no. Ano itong ginawa ng AI kay Michael Jackson at saka kay Jordan Chandler. Jordan Chandler, isa po siyang MMA fighter no. So ito no, grabe itong ginawa ng AI bro. Sino kaya ang nag-ano nito? Gumawa nito. Play natin.
Main event is here. Michael Chandler, Michael Jackson.
Ay,
Center
Michael Chandler pala siya. Yan o. Si Michael Jackson lumaban siya sa octagon. Grabe naman to. Bro. Leave Michael Jackson alone, bro. Rest in peace na yan. Let him rest in peace. Grabe na, nahimik na yung tao. Ano na yun eh. Tapos gagawa ng gantong video. Ayun o. Ito si Michael Chandler. Ano talaga, active fighter ba siya ngayon? Hindi ko alam, pero parang mabangis din to siya eh. Diyan, medyo maliit lang si Michael Chandler no, pero grabe tong, para tong ano eh, agresibo talaga siya. Sobrang galing din niya mag-knockout. So, tingnan mo.
Incredible evasion. He lead slipped the jab cross hook. That is the best defensive sequence I've seen all year.
Chandler with the body lock, both arms deep. He's going to do something here.
German suplex. Chandler has him up and over.
Grabe no. Di man lang inano si Michael oh. Hindi mo lang parang walang respeto ah. Magkaano lang talaga yung mga ibang tao bro, magka-views lang talaga kahit wala na yung tao, gagawan pa ng ganitong video no. Medyo nakakatawa siya pero bro, nanahimik na yung tao eh.
He bridged out, he arched out of the ground.
Pero bang yung pang pag ano ni Michael Jackson pag kumakanta siya. Grabe naman tong gumawa nito bro.
Wow, what is happening right now? Body kick lands, Jackson's hurt. Chandler can see it, he's gonna...
Sobrang creepy no. Tumawa pa. Yun bang yung gano'n ni Michael Jackson. Sa kanya iba dito. Yung AI pag titingnan mo sa mata parang ang creepy no. Parang walang ano, walang soul ba. Parang blanco lang siya na ano, nakakatakot.
They go for the finish.
Ayan.
And Jackson is down. Michael Jackson is on the canvas in round one. Incredible survival by Jackson. Chandler wasn't quite able to beat it. This fight is proving to be an absolute thriller. Jackson back on his feet and Chandler.
Saan ka nakakita ng binubugbog na tumatawa pa rin? Grabe. Minabakbaka na yung mukha niya pero tawa pa rin ang tawa si
Coming
Michael.
forward, something already feels different here.
Wait.
Baka akala ni Michael dito na AI Michael na concert to na. Ano pa yung ano niya eh, signature niya na.
Did that land? That was completely unintentional and it still landed on Chandler. The body shot lands. Jackson threw a clean body shot and it landed. I cannot believe this.
The elbow on the turn.
Chandler's arm speed is gone. That jab has nothing on it, and Jackson just touched him.
He misses the takedown. Chandler shoots for the double and there's nobody there.
Bakit nasa ring siya tapos nasa crowd na naman siya? Bruh. Ano to? Si Michael Chandler yan eh. Dalawa siya. Nasa crowd siya tapos nandun din siya sa ring lumalaban. Itong isa, tong kalbo si Joe Rogan to. Pero hindi masyadong kamukha ni Joe Rogan no?
Michael Chandler is tiring. This is a real fight, ladies and gentlemen.
Lands the overhand right. Chandler.
Kahit AI lang no, pero yung makita mong ganun parang totoo talaga. Parang totoo na talaga to bro. Yung mga hindi nakakaalam ng AI, baka maano pa rito eh. Baka isipin nila nga totoo pa to, no? Yan ang mukha niya yan. Hindi yung mukha ni Michael Vera. Parang ibang tao.
Is hurt.
He slipped the clinch.
Jackson slipped the
Siguro
clinch.
ito yung version ni Michael Jackson nung wala pa siyang sakit, no? Yung wala pa siyang sakit sa balat.
And now he is landing shots.
The cross lands. Chandler's knees are gone. Are you kidding me right now? Michael Jackson knocks out.
Kahit AI lang, no? Mapapaano ka. Parang totoo talaga eh. Itong MMA, sobrang brutal na sport to. Pag ganyan, nakaano na, babakbakan pa yan kung sa totoong buhay yan. Hanggang sa pigilan ng referee, no?
Michael Chandler, this fight is over.
Yun, no?
Look at that in slow motion. That
Sobrang
right
HD
hand.
pa, no?
That right hand right there.
He's moonwalking. He is moonwalking in the UFC octagon. This actually happened tonight.
Bro, just leave Michael Jackson alone, bro. Let him rest in peace. Huwag lang sana tayong gumawa ng ganito, no? Oh. Grabe, no? Yun, no?
Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson, ladies and gentlemen, that is the finish.
So, grabe na ang AI, no? Kakatakot na, bro. Kakatakot ng AI. Ano kaya mangyayari 5 years from now, no? 10 years pa. Gaano na kaya ka-advance ang AI? Grabe na siguro yun. Hindi ko ma-imagine, bro, kung marami na siguro laws or mga batas na gagawin para yun ang AI, no? Kasi nagte-take over na talaga ang AI. So, yun lang, no? Hope you like this video, and if you like this, please leave a like and subscribe. Yan. So, next video ulit mga bro, no?